2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a Miniso haul. Miniso is actually a Japanese brand and वहाँ पर ऐसे क्यूट सारे स्टफ मिलते हैं. पैकेजिंग बहुत क्यूट होती है उनकी and prices are quite reasonable compared to the regular products. So before getting into the video, let me give you a small virtual tour of Miniso store in my city. In your city it could be different, but in my city Miniso store looks something like this. You'll see different type of bags from sling to backpacks, pouches, different types and very cute. All the designs were super cute. And here comes the neck pillow and teddy वाला section. सारे designs बहुत cute थे neck pillow और teddy के. Here comes the best part जहाँ makeup brush, sponge, सारे गार्डर्स everything रखे हुए थे. super cute. ये mirror है, देखिए कितना cute है ये कुछ हेयर ब्रश है, ये कुछ स्लीपर्स का सेक्शन है एंड ये कुछ कैंडल. ये इनका मेकअप और परफ्यूम का सेक्शन है एंड यू कैन सी द वाइड वेराइटी ऑफ परफ्यूम्स ओवर देयर. मिनीसो के सिपर का कलेक्शन इज लाइक नेक्स्ट लेवल. दे हैव द क्यूटेस्ट सिपर इन द होल. सो द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट व्हिच आई गॉट फॉर यू फ्रॉम मिनीसो इज दिस वैनिटी मिरर. इसके पीछे ऐसे स्टैंड भी बना हुआ है एंड the mirror is quite big. It was for 150 rupees and the design is super cute. I love mirrors, hand mirrors. मुझे ज़रूरत भी थी एक hand mirror की to do this close up eye makeup के वगैरह के लिए while I make or shoot videos. So the next product which I picked up from Miniso are this brush set. This is actually two brush sets. But of the same design I would say, and they are so cute. Just look at them. They have this glitter detailing on the tail and of great quality. This foundation brushes were for something 450 rupees and this was for 350 rupees. I opened up the packaging because I wanted to show you. It was very more convenient to open up the packaging and then show you. And look at them. They made up a whole bunch. They don't look any different. Seems like it's the same bunch. ये एक ही सेट जैसा लग रहा है, कुछ अलग नहीं लग रहा है. Sorry, I dropped one. And I wanted a good quality brush from very long time. So and Miniso के brush are very good quality. They are little bit on the higher side when it comes to the brush part, but I think it totally worth it because of the quality you get. And always invest in good brushes. It's an advice I would like to give you. Never invest in the cheap quality wala brushes. Product which I picked up from Miniso are these earbuds. I use earbuds a lot, not only to clean my ears but just to fix some this little bit of tats and bits from my makeup. Sometimes जो mishaps हो जाते हैं makeup का, to remove them I use this earbuds. Especially the eye area के makeup थोड़ा tricky होते हैं. For that I use this earbuds, and for to correct the lipstick also I use this earbuds. It's very useful and it's also a life hack. If you miss up your eyeliner or something around your lipstick, you can always use a earbud and it corrects it so from the area without removing your makeup or ruining your makeup. Always use this. Is a life hack actually which I learned from some video. Which I picked up from Miniso are these face wipes. It's in rose flavored and it's skin friendly, pH balanced, and it's paraben free, alcohol free, and it's of great quality. And it's not the first time I'm using Miniso ke facial wipes. I use facial wipes a lot, especially during summers. I need facial wipes a lot because they have this toner in them and that kind of gives a cooling effect for some time in your face, especially in summertime. I sweat a lot, so this kind of helps me. I also use this if I'm feeling very lazy. I use this to remove my makeup sometimes. I know it's not that appropriate, but yeah, when you are very lazy and you want something quick fix to remove your makeup, just take a wipe and remove your makeup. Yeah, that's it. Let's move to the other product. Which I picked up from Miniso are these perfumes. I love Miniso perfumes and this is not the first time I'm saying this a lot, but trust me, Miniso ke perfumes are so good. They don't fade away like this 300-400 रुपए के परफ्यूम देखना आप फेड आउट हो जाते हैं आफ्टर एन आवर और समथिंग, बट मिनीसो के परफ्यूम्स आर ऑफ लाइक टॉप नॉच क्वालिटी. दे विल स्टे इन योर क्लोथ्स, इन योर बॉडी फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. दे वोंट फेड आउट एंड प्लस द परफ्यूम्स आर ऑफ Zara quality. जो fragrances are of Zara quality. So the next product which I picked up from Miniso are this compressed face sheets, and I'll show you. It comes in this like capsule pieces, like कैंडी वाले कैप्सूल पैकेजिंग में आता है ये. इफ़ यू डिप दिस इन सम सीरम और सम काइंड ऑफ जूस और एनी होम रेमेडीज, इट विल जस्ट ओपन अप टू दिस entire face sheet mask. I'll put a short video over somewhere here to show you how you can use this one. I picked up from Miniso are these neck pillows. Yes, I don't know if I'm getting to travel this year because of COVID. Last 2 years से तो traveling की लगी पड़ी है. I haven't traveled anywhere other than Hyderabad, and that too for some medical reason for my mom. मैंने कभी कहीं travel नहीं किया last 2 years में, and I need a vacation very badly. So I'm kind of manifesting with this neck pillow that क्या पता मैं ऐसे सोचने लग जाऊँ कि कुछ traveling के लिए लेने लगती हूँ. ट्रैवलिंग प्लान बनेगा ही ये सोच के, तो मैनिफेस्ट करूँगी तो शायद कुछ प्लान बन जाए. प्लान्स है, लेकिन देखो थर्ड वेव का बात हो रहा है, थर्ड वेव आने वाला है. एवरीबडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट थर्ड वेव अ लॉट. सो क्या होता है नोबडी नोज. जस्ट फिंगर क्रॉस की सब नॉर्मल हो जाए ईयर एंड तक एंड वी गेट टू ट्रैवल. The last product which I picked up from Miniso are this face sheet mask in honey and seaweed, and this was quite cheap actually. It was for just 60 rupees. Nykaa में भी मिलते हैं face sheet mask. They are for 100 rupees one face sheet, and compared to that I think these face sheets are quite reasonable. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe and share. Please comment and let me know what I can improve. If you have any queries, please comment down and I'll reply you. I'll get back to you, and that's it for today. See you till the next time. Bye.